Hey guys, welcome back with today. It's your Aussie boy, the Lizard. So I make my intro so far, so I'm just used to it. Yes. But today I'm gonna be reacting to some of my old videos. This is not for like, oh, okay, this many subscribers. Oh, congratulations. I don't know. But today, we're just gonna be reacting to some videos. Now, I'm not gonna react to my new videos. We're gonna react to my videos that don't even have thumbnails. Kinda. they do, but let's go to the videos. And you guys can see how terrible I was. I'm joking, that wasn't that bad. Okay, yeah, we can all agree that. Every starter feature is bad. We're not going this far. No. I might go from my last video to roughly down the middle, which I don't know how many videos I made, to, like, I'm not gonna read all of it. Also, I made like over 100 videos, so I might have to scroll down to the first. Now, my first video has no voice audio, it only has game audio. And I was recording on my PlayStation like I used to do for almost a year. Now I record on my computer and PlayStation. Just now the quality isn't that bad. I say that like it wasn't ever bad, but oh, it was. A lot of these videos I'm not proud of because a lot of them was just like, oh god, why did I make these? Why did I make this decision? I watched my first ever video, which was I think 2000 PS4 broadcast. I never changed the name to it. Never. I'm not gonna, because it's history. In like 2 to 3 years from now, I'm gonna go back to this and be like, back when I first started. Yeah, let's just keep watching. Let's just watch it. Now, let's just watch terrible quality for the next few minutes. You see the terrible, you guys saw this terrible, terrible graphics at the start. Get ready to see a lot more of that. Just like that. Get out of your mind. Actually, let's just go full screen. What am I doing? Come on. Pass mark. Virtual mark is giving you a sign. You can tell I'm not that bad at this game. Which, actually, I still have this game. And by the way, I completed all the main missions. I haven't completed 100%. I completed around 65% of the game. The last time I checked it. Yeah, it was around 65% I completed the game. I never completed 100%. I'm thinking of doing, like, a lot of times I'll just see the game. I'm like, I might complete it to 100%. I haven't made that much videos of it, by the way, so, I don't know. Okay, let's get going with it. Let's just skip some of it, because this is, to be honest, this is kind of boring. You can't hear me narrating any of this. Okay, so, yeah, see, you guys can see the terrible graphics and bad quality. Freaking a year and 2 months have gone by, and I still don't have a freaking face cam. Just saying that. I could just say it later on, but you know. It's been a year and 2 months. Still no face cam. Still not even 100 subscribers. Come on, guys. Shape up. Give it for 100. You know, by this very day, I still try to be funny, but every time I even look at the video, I'm just like, not so funny. That's just me talking like a weirdo. Well, let's just skip through this a little. I might watch some in the middle, and then I just want to see how much I improve. One, in the quality of the videos. Two, my voice and how manly I sound today. Not really. I sound like a girl. Ha! No, I'm just joking. I sound like a man. I'm 12, turning 13, guys. So you guys probably, when I first made this video, when I made like about a year ago, when I first started in 2016, I was 11 years old. But I didn't have proper equipment to make me sound the right age. I sound like I was 11, sound like a 5-year-old, and now I'm turning like I'm 12. Well, now I'm 12 to 13, and then I turned 12 next year, 2017, and yeah, so I kind of grew more into my voice that you hear today, ladies. I'm joking, don't no. It still is very dated. I have a webcam. Well, I have the option to, but you know me. I'm stupid. Okay, so also if any relative I know is watching this, please stop. It's been like 5 minutes. It's like almost 6 minutes of video. Okay, so this is my first video. We're not gonna watch the full thing. Okay, let's actually scroll down. Let's get the other videos I've been watching. Yeah, that's the game I was playing. And yeah, my videos, or is it just gonna be other people's videos? Come on. That's not right. Ah! No! You like my background? No, I clicked out of it. Gosh dang it. I was just about to tell past me and left me. Don't be a little douche. Skadoosh. Don't be a douche or you skadoosh. I guess, I don't know. Okay, so let's get back to my channel and hopefully let's sort this out. You know. Do you know the way? Do you know the way to my channel? No. Okay, this custom. You can hate this. This is annoying. But okay, so let's get to my channel. Okay, so let's get up videos. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the middle of the mixtape. We'll just go. So most popular video. Yo, this is the worst video I made, or one of the worst videos I made. Last year, and it's terrible. And it has so many views. I was like, why? Why is it the most popular one? It's just so annoying. It's so annoying. 7 months ago. No, actually, yeah, I have used webcam, but this is on my phone. A lot of times it just got really annoying. How really chubby, wubby, lubby, la 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 la. I don't know what that was. Okay, let's just go around 11 months ago. 11 months. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I have audio in these videos. 11 months ago. Yeah, I think it was roughly 11 months ago when I started adding audio. I think it was around 11 to 13 months ago. I started using voice audio. No, it wasn't. Huh. I don't even have audio in this. But I'll watch some of it anyway, so let's skip towards the middle. Maybe Mark is being quiet. Or past Mark. I mean, oh, there's one view. Oh, that's very cool. It was one view. Yeah, I used to make like a lot of live streams. I was playing Ratchet and Clank. Deadlock. Ratchet and Clank Deadlock. Okay, YouTube. I wasn't playing Ratchet and Clank Deadlock. I was playing. Wait, no, that's Ratchet Deadlock. I thought it said Ratchet. I wasn't playing Ratchet Deadlock. I was playing Ratchet and Clank. You stupid category. Gaming. Yeah. Well, cut the crap, YouTube. No, sorry, but I'm not that type of guy that likes racing. Well, actually, that's kind of a lie. I do like races. Like racing. I can actually load up the page. Okay, so skip a little bit more. Yeah, so it wasn't 11 months ago when I started adding audio. What it was. I'm more of a scrub than I think I thought it was. This is on Feb the 17th of 2017. What a coincidence! I clicked on that one. Interesting. But yeah, that was on that was February the 17th, 2017. Man, I miss being young. Reacting to my old self is just sad. I want to react to some of my videos with face cam. Yes, you guys can see how terrifying I look. Terrifyingly ugly. Yeah, that's bad. Oh, not my short vlogs. No, especially my Halloween one. Oh jeez. Okay, I only made 2 videos with my face camera. One I was wearing a hat, and one was just me sitting down. And yeah, I'm not gonna this video. It's just too horrifying to look at. Oh, Overwatch. I'm not better, actually. I'm better at Overwatch than Alex. Usually Alex is, my friend Alex, he's usually better at games than me. Oh! Yeah, this is audio, so you guys can hear me talk. How do you guys like hearing me talk? Not really well? Okay. Alright, so that was when I was 11. I mean, no, 12. Oh, wait, no, I was 11. Oh, no, I was 12. Stupid me. I was 12. I had to leave, like, I'm sorry. I thought I already have, I don't really. Okay, so yeah, I thought I was, for a second I was like, yeah, cause my birthday is 29th of July. So yeah, I was 12. And I sounded 10. Just about. Yeah, cause that's right, cause I had the, Game of the Year thing, award, and it allowed us to play for like a week. Yeah, and I took like a day to download. And and I'm hungry now. Come on, can I just, um, present me, hot the freaking, yeah, I literally said I'm cheap, I got the free version of the game. Also, oh, Hanzo, what's happening here? Hanzo, this guy, Hanzo, my man. He's my favorite character in the game, by the way. Also my sister. Will not see. I think this is my sister. No, that's not my sister. I think. Get a PC. Wow, that sucks. How did you like it? Zero and six. What? I Overwatch gay. Four. Oh, that's what alright, so this guy is a hater to Overwatch. Fortnite. I think it's no Fortnite. Fortnite 2 is better. Oh my god, there's God. Why did that guy have to start a war? That guy literally started a war in my live stream about Team Fortress 2 is better than Overwatch because there's a battle against it, and Team Fortress 2. This is kid in my class who likes Team Fortress 2, and there's another kid in my class who likes Overwatch, and those two guys are friends. And they were fighting about it, and it was hilarious, but oh my god, why? Why I remember that guy, I hated him. But yeah, so, why'd I have to watch this video? He's the reason why I hate it. I don't know why. Like, it's so okay. Why watch an Overwatch live stream and comment that saying that Team Fortress 2 is better? Like, why even watch a live stream? Why watch? I never watched live stream in the first place then. Just go back to Team Fortress 2 live streams and freaking talking how bad you are at that. Also, I make a lot of Minecraft videos, by the way, if you guys are new to the channel. And I made a lot of Minecraft videos. There's been like I think it was like 2 or 3 videos that there was these guys who were really creepy and they did this stuff. Oh yeah, you know my most popular video that I said sucks? And I only made 1 video of, and I said I'll probably make more. I never have. I can't actually probably do it on Minecraft. Like, let's watch the video. Yeah. We don't have that much time left. I might watch my previous video after this. Yeah, I'm really pissed. I'm really cringy. As you guys probably haven't noticed. My most previous video, this one. I was actually watching this with my mom came in and checked over me because I'm sweating right now. So I'm not gonna help me. Yeah, I got really mad in the video, and I said